welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're already a subscriber, welcome back. Something new that I like to start doing in this channel is talking about some of my new purchases that I got and reviewing them, giving kind of a background of where I got them, why I got them, and that sort of thing. So my newest purchase that I got is the Paris, Texas boots. If you're familiar with the brand, this bright pink boxes, they're staple, and I got the brown boots. So I decided to go with the all brown. If you've seen these boots around, you've probably seen them most recently in the most recent fashion week, where they were more snakeskin, and a lot of people were wearing them all over with jeans, skirts, all different things, but they were so chic. I wanted to make sure that I got a pair that was sustainable, classic, and timeless. That's what I'm trying to add now to my closet. So this brown, you can see it goes with like any color. You can wear it with black or blue, like blue jeans and whatnot, really anything. So the color is really good, and you can tell the quality is so good. They're really cute because you can wear them straight up like this, and you can also kind of squish them down more. I don't know if you can really see this here, but they're cute to wear slouchy too. So really, really cute. I can share some pictures of me wearing these boots here. One of the reasons why I liked these boots a lot was the chunky heel. So this, I am someone who doesn't wear heels that often, and when I do, it really has to be a chunky heel. I found these boots really, really comfortable. So if you're gonna wear them standing in one place, they're really, really comfortable. But when I tried to walk around New York, you know, I live in New York City, so everywhere you're walking, you're not gonna, maybe sometimes you take an Uber some places, but no matter what, you're just walking a lot of places. And walking more than like 3 blocks, which isn't that far, but walking quite a bit in them is not that great. I noticed that I slowed down my fiance when we try and walk, so that's really annoying. But if you're gonna just jump in an Uber or jump in a car somewhere and then go to an event, you're kind of standing around, these are perfect. They're so, so comfortable for standing. I just struggle a little bit when walking. So I don't know if these boots were made for walking, and if that's what you want to do, then I don't know if these are gonna be great boots for you, but they are really, really chic. Every time I wear them, I get so many compliments. Anytime I post a picture, I get so many compliments on them. They're really a statement boot, even though they're very classic. They still are, they up the ante on the outfit a lot with them. I stayed my size here, I think that's fine. Some people I know like to go a half size up if you're gonna wear thick socks, but I think they're fine with my true size. When these boots first came out, they were really, really popular, and I was looking at them online, and I actually found them on Farfetch for a significant discount, and I think some of the boot styles might be discounted now too again, but all of the other sites were probably selling them for like over $800, and I got them at a really great price. I think they came from Germany. I think that there's something about Farfetch that you can get some newer styles that first come out when they first are super trendy at a really good price on there. So I would always check, whenever you're going to make a purchase, I would always check every website to try and see the best deal that you can get. My overall opinion is I recommend these boots if you're gonna be kind of standing around in them and not doing a ton of walking in them. So thanks again for stopping by my channel. Please like, comment, any questions, subscribe, and let me know if you have an item that you want me to review, if you see me wearing, or if there's anything that you want me to talk about, please let me know, or if you have any questions at all about what I talked about today, just write it in the comments. And yeah, thanks again for stopping by.